My head is itching. I need a little bit of just a little bit of lip gloss because welcome back to Lani's channel. Today I'll be doing acting Ratchet prank on her. We're supposed to be going to the mall today, so I'll be acting like I'm vlogging and I'm just gonna be acting Ratchet. So I'm gonna start the prank while we're in the car. So I'll see you guys when we get in the car.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna do a quick vlog. I'm gonna go to the mall to pick up stuff for my birthday. So see when I get there. Before we get into this video, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to the mall. Ouch, my head is itching. I need a little bit of just a little bit of lip gloss because my head. So guys, we're gonna pick up a couple of shirts from the mall today. Lani, are you ready to go to the mall? Yeah. My head keeps itching. Get a liver job. You gonna come get rich with us. You gonna eat it. You gonna stop. Take a certified and stop. Bam, not to the mouth. Lani, what are you doing? Better live a prince, get a liberal in the job. You gonna come get rich with us. You gonna eat up, you gonna starve. God, I think I did my ponytail too tight. Yeah, we're going to the mall. Do you like my clothes? I got a nice cami on, but some. Do you have any gum? I found a cough drop. You want a cough drop too?
Yeah.
Let's go cock very gum.
Give me one.
I'm gonna cook the last one.
Just give me a cough drop. So give me a cough drop.
You don't need a cough drop, Lani. You don't need one. Sit back and enjoy the ride. What are you doing? Get that liver on a new job. You gonna come get rich with us? Oh my God. You're not getting a cough drop. You're not. No. Say hi. Let's see if we can get to the mall, guys. Lani, do you want a cough drop?
Yes.
You want me to open the cough drop for you?
Yes. Why so well?
Hold on.
No, Daddy, don't like
Here's the cough drop.
Thank you.
Is your seatbelt on in the car?
Yes.
Do you have your seatbelt on in the car?
Yes.
So are you excited for your birthday?
Yes. Why so well?
Because I can't hear you. My head is itching.
Well, and why you keep patting your head?
God, I think I did my ponytail too tight. Let me see if I can find something.
You got nothing at
Hi guys.
You.
Hi Lani. Hi.
You.
Do you like my treat?
No.
Hi guys.
Your teeth is nasty.
So guys, I'm hungry. Gang.
You gotta eat some more.
I'm getting really thirsty.
Why can't
Oh
you
my god. Ah, that was good. Do you want some, Lonnie?
No.
Do you want some water?
No, I got my own.
Oh my god. I need something to eat. Oh my god.
Yours white ketchup is good.
Lonnie, what are you doing for your birthday? At the end of the month.
My birthday. It's my birthday.
Happy birthday! Turn up, it's your birthday! What's your favorite song? Calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop from the bridge to the helicopter. Yeah, cops pulling up like we giving drugs. Nah. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Calling my phone.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I'm getting kind of tired.
Psychic hard, do you say please? Sorry, what is she doing?
Calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. Ow! Don't touch! What are you doing?
You talk, do you say?
Turn up the music.
Talk, on.
Guys, what?
On music.
Do you like my hair today? I did a nice little bun.
Yes, it's good. Just talk to you so you can stop. It'll stop that.
Guys, I'll see you guys when we get to the mall. Bye!
Hey guys, so we're at the mall. So we're gonna get inside and start shopping. Let's go. Come on, Saya. So I left my mask in the car and my sister went to go get it. So, and I'm practically bad, yeah. Okay, now I got to go back. Push off. Thank you.
You're welcome. I need to get my mask.
Sorry.
We at the mall.
What are you doing? You got the inside.
You go hungry. You go eat out. You go.
Hurry up, we're about to get in the mall. What's wrong with this kid? You that excited? Stop us up here. We're about to get in the mall. Gosh.
I'm tired.
Who told you to go?
Shut up.
Be quiet.
Shut up.
Be quiet.
Can I get those? Oh my god, my foot is itching. Oh my god. Money. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna go get a pretzel because I'm really hungry. I see you guys when we get there.
My sister acting so weird, guys. I don't know what's up wrong.
What store do you want to go to now? I can't hear you. Lonnie, you like my shoes?
Oh my god. Oh. What are you doing? Take the shoes off.
Do you like it?
Yeah, but you don't take that.
these shoes. I wanna wear these shoes. I wanna wear these shoes.
I'm saying no. Oh, no, that could be a picture back.
Why are you taking off my shoes?
Does not know. Stop. You come on. Okay, guys, so we just came from the mall. I got some candy.
Yo, can I get some candy?
Okay.
Let me open it.
I'm not opening my candy.
Thank you. Thanks for the candy.
You're welcome. That was weird. Okay. I'm making. Okay, so now I'm gonna go put my seatbelt on.
You need help with your seatbelt? You need help with that? I'll help you.
Stop. Enough is enough.
I'm trying to help you put in your seatbelt.
I could do it. I could. Stop now. Stop.
Why? I'm just putting on your seatbelt.
No. I could do it.
I don't know why it's not working.
Because you're doing it. Stop. I could do it now.
Did you put your seatbelt on?
Yes.
I'm about to eat this candy she just gave me. I hope it's good.
Oh my gosh. Why smack like that?
This is really good. What flavor is this?
Maybe you see the thing. What are you doing that for? Just too regular.
So guys, we had a good time at the mall. We got a little bit of shopping done. Got some stuff done for Lonnie's birthday, for her birthday party. But guys, Lonnie, it was a prank. It was a Ratchet prank. I just wanted to prank you just for the one time, so.
I just knew it. I knew it.
Make sure you guys subscribe and then comment down below if you want to do any more pranks on Lonnie. Bye.
I'm gonna do a prank on her. You shut up now. Bye. I'm staying on